Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am here today to review iMethod's brand new holiday collection of gel polishes as well as a set of polygels that they have here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and then we're going to take a closer look. So starting out with the kit of the six different colors, inside you can find a little pamphlet with more information about their different color collections that they have, as well as instructions on how to apply gel polish if you are new to gel polish application. Here you can see this cute little bottle. So these are, it's a kit, let me pop these out. Each bottle is, they are 8 ml bottles. Let me go ahead and pop them out. Okay, so here are the 6 colors, and as you can tell, each color or each bottle is identified by the sticker on top of the brush, on top of the top, and with the number, and it also gives you an idea on the color what to expect. So I've already used these, as you can see my nails right there, how I did this design. The gold is something different. It was not from this collection. I did these for a show. And I also used the 120 for one of my clients, I believe. Yes, I'm trying to remember. I will have pictures of these designs and the ones that I did for my clients at the end of the video. Here are all 6 gorgeous colors, guys. The only 2 that I did 2 coats on was this glitter one and then this other frosty one right here. And I thought I had picked this one up to do my nails with, but this one that I have on my index nails is actually a different color, not from this collection. It is an iMethod color, but from a different collection that I have. Take a look at these. Now, no top coat. This is just the gel polish is cured under 30 seconds. And you can see they have beautiful shine, glossy shine on their own without even a top coat. Now I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and do the swatches on the polygel and take a look at those. So as to expect, what to expect inside the packaging here, you do have some dual forms to help you with the application, as well as a dual-ended brush. We're gonna go ahead and open that. It's very pretty. I like the color. And we have 2 different colors of the polygel. We have a clear and then we have a natural pink. Let's take a look and see. Oh, it is sealed. That's nice. That's a good sign. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Let's make use of my tweezers. And I should have opened the brush first. So this is in the clear tube. See this end, and this is the end of the bristles protected by this plastic. I'm gonna remove it. And these are stiff to begin with, guys, every time, but you just spray. We're going to use alcohol. And there's the spatula end. So let's go ahead and you want to have some alcohol handy. I have a little bit of alcohol in this dapping dish just to get my bristles wet and soften them up. Here they are, nice and smooth and soft. But what I'm going to do, guys, is so this is perfect, very pliable for application. I'm going to swatch the polygels, but this video is not going to be about application on polygel. Okay, so let's go ahead and squeeze this one out. This is the clear. We no longer need that alcohol for the swatches. So here is the clear. We're gonna give this a squeeze. There it is. As you can, we would expect the polygel not to move at all. I'm putting it in this pad. Look how clear that is, guys. Let's see if I can, by just with my wet brush, I'm going to give this a little bit of, just pat it right here on my silicone pad, and I'm going to cure that. And again, we're just checking for clarity of that clear polygel. Now let's go ahead and check. I've gone ahead and remove the seal from the natural pink. Let's go ahead and take a swatch of this one, and I'm dropping things on the floor. Make sure I don't have my spatula, it's clean. Let's squeeze this one. And put it right here next to the clear. And let's pat it. If it is sticky, see how it's sticky like that when you're doing the application? That means you do need to wet your brush with alcohol a little bit more. See, there's too wet, so you want to pat it. You don't want too much alcohol. And then see how now I can, oops, going out of focus there. I can pat it to say if I was applying this, now it's not sticking to the brush. There we go, and you can see the pretty pink. It has some translucency to it. I'm going to go ahead and cure these. Okay guys, so now that I have cured these, I cure them for 30 seconds. Here you can barely see that clear. You can see how clear it is. It doesn't look like I have anything on the pad. And here's the natural pink. I think I can pop these out. Yeah, there they are. They are sticky. Here's the pink. If I could keep it on the container right there. And here is the clear. Nice and I mean, look at that. I do like the viscosity of these polygels. Oop. Nice and easy to squeeze out of their containers. There you have them. So here's a quick overview of this polygel kit, guys. Very suitable for beginners as well as professionals. I do like this brush. I do like that it has the caps for protection of both the bristles and the spatula end as well. And then you have here dual forms. So it's a nice starter kit. The only thing missing from here for you to begin using this is some alcohol. You know, sometimes they come with a formula, but you can use alcohol just as well. So if you have any questions about this kit, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. Guys, now before I end this video, I want to leave you with a tutorial. Something that I was inspired by looking at the colors on this beautiful collection is to create a Christmas gnome on this nail. So I'm going to leave you with that, and don't forget I will have photos at the end. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. end result of this super cute Christmas gnome. There it is. And so yes, I used the frosty blue in place instead of a white, and I think it works really well. Let's just assume he's just got snow all over his beard. Super cute. Alright, well with this I conclude my video, guys. This collection is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. Again, if you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer them. I would like to thank iMETHOD for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.